So do we really need non-Māori to champion te reo? Yes, we do. And not because Māori aren't doing enough, it's because the fight for te reo isn't won yet. Linguists know that a language is only safe when around 30% of people speak it daily. That's when a language lives naturally, passed from generation to generation. Right now, only 18.6% of Māori can speak te reo, and just 4.3% of New Zealanders overall. That's why the UN still lists te reo as endangered. You don't save a language just by teaching it, you save it by using it. Kia rongo te reo, I te pauaka whakaata, I te reo irirangi, I te hokomaha, I te kāinga, I te moenga. It needs to be normal, not unusual, kia mahorahora te reo Māori. However, te reo visibility is fragile. Every time we have people or policies trying to pull te reo out of classrooms or public life, or when we have non-Māori, and sometimes Māori, trying to remove it, it's helpful to have other non-Māori standing up for the language. Because when people ask, do we need that many Māori words? The answer is yes, and probably more. And once a language goes quiet, it stays that way for generations. But let's look at Wales. In 2011, only 19% spoke Welsh, but after decades of normalisation, policy changes, bilingual laws, that jumped to 29% in 2022. That's almost safe. That didn't happen by accident, it happened because everyone cared enough to use it. Te reo doesn't lose any mana when others speak it, it strengthens. The language is still in danger, and saving te reo isn't only a Māori job,